PAA, stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Plains All American Pipeline stock, name of the day, is a buy or not for me. So let's talk about this. 6% up. What I'm going to do is just come here to the weekly chart. I'm observing like a pretty bullish market here. That's Gucci. And in general, I mean, again, I'm sticking to a strategy that I've refined over 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, 34 over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And PAA, just gonna mark these highs out like that. Daily chart, yeah, honestly, like I'll just probably, the highs are probably just gonna be taken out. And in general, the only thing that I would really care about is like bigger retracements, and then if I see a double break, I will take things higher. Everything else is pure noise. So that's how PAA looks like for me. It's not financial advice by any means. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.